Okay guys, so what have we got here? We have a HQM suicide bunker, which isn't really suicide, which I'm going to show you. So before we start, obviously everything you drop in there is going to go into this bunker. I've only put one box in the bunker because it's just a demonstration, just to show you proof of concept. And just one more tip before we move on: even if you decide to make one of these industrial bunkers where the loot is inside, always, and I mean always, keep a sleeping bag inside, guys, because if something goes wrong, a pipe breaks, I've accidentally disattached pipes when I've gone to change something on the conveyor and I've had the hammer out and it's just disconnected the pipe. You can't really pass your loot back out if something goes wrong, if it gets griefed or something. Do you know what I mean? So just always keep a bag in there because you might have to use a drop box to get your loot out. Okay, so let's move on. So what we've got here is we have these covering the splitters that are in the wall, protecting them. Okay, and we also have this here which is protecting the two conveyors. Okay, so the way it works, and I'll show you how these protect in a minute. So what we do is you rotate this and we turn on the top conveyor, and then we just dump our stuff in here, which is in there, and that will get sucked through into the bunker. As you can see, we have a look, they clip through the wall, it's all getting sucked through into the bunker. Okay, now obviously what we can do once that's done is we can turn the top one off, and the bottom one we can either specifically tell it what we want to pull out, or we can just turn it on and it will just start pulling all of it out. Okay, totally up to you what you want to do, but you get the proof of concept. But the reason why I've done this here is, the clever part is the fact that when you rotate it, it's soft-sidable. The only way that they can be broken now is by let's turn that off because that noise is doing that. Stop. The only way they can be broke now is by splash damage. They don't use it. You can whack the crap out of these. Absolutely. And if we go check its HP, still 200. See? You cannot break them. So splash damage has to break them. And the other cool thing about them is the pipes and the electric can be replaced on this side. So you get the pipe out, you can disconnect these. And the same with the electric, it can all be re-piped up. Okay, and same with the electric, you can run the electric to the power in and you can reach the all the buttons on this. Okay, so that's that. This is pretty cool. I'm still not 100% happy yet. I want to find a way to get these splash proof, which I'm going to be working on next. But yeah, I think this is a really cool idea. It's definitely going to help prevent your industrial items getting griefed. So yeah, if you like this and you've not seen anything like this before, make sure you drop a like, man. Let's get this out there. Catch you later.